Hello, what's up YouTube? I just want to say hi, it's Killerrain. I'm back today, and I have some cool stuff to show you guys. And I dressed up pretty in pink. I tried to find as much pink stuff as I could. Always doing my nails. Always have my nosies. Today is pretty much all pinks. I want to show you the cool mirror I have got. This is... It's pink too. It's pink creamsicle. Came from the mystery box from the spring ones. No, summer boxes. You could only get it in the big one. You could get it. So sweet. I want to show you guys something really sweet. I have hoodies coming out this week. Halloween special edition. So, one sec. Yeah? You like this, girl? Yeah? Yeah? I make myself smile all the time. I love making videos. It's just sometimes hard to create. I just want to say beautiful day. Beautiful day. I have my pink and black legging straps on today. Plus I got my tail in today. I can feel it up there. It's a little different, but I could deal with it, I guess. This is the front of the hoodie. I don't know if you can see that very good, but that's the front of the hoodie, Halloween edition. And this would be the back of the hoodie. Has like pink wings. Very, very me. It's very me for Halloween. It'll start at $50, but if you're my friend or something to get in person, get it for $40. I'm not really making too much money off them, but do love them. I would actually wear them because I don't listen to my own music and I don't wear my own clothes. But if they are pretty enough, I might. Okay. This tail is really in there. Ooh. I don't know how to feel about that, but I can do a video with it. This will be the first video with the tail in my butt. I mean, nothing. Nothing. Okay. I wanted to show you this. This is hydrating. It's like hydrating lip stuff. You could use it to keep your lips from getting chapped in the winter. He made a whole bunch of pink ones, but I got like the very pink on it. And there was a little bit of green shimmer on it, but I kind of used pretty much all of it so far. But this was sexy, and I probably will get more. And the stoner one, the 420 one, that one tastes really good. And it was green, and it was sativa. So I think it had CBDs in it too. That's what made it cooler than any other ones. So, yep, I have Jeffree Star Halloween box coming. So beautiful. Can't wait to do that. I am gonna put this video out pretty earlier and the Halloween video a little earlier than I usually do, just to keep the videos going through and through, just because I was slowing down for a while. And I don't want to do that. I want to kind of keep at a good pace, a sexy pace. A sexy pace. My buddy was listening to, what was it called? I think it was Steve Miller Band, Joker. The Gangster of Love. It made me laugh when I heard that. I'm the gangster of love. Okay, I wanted to show you what I'll be doing today. This is the Jeffree Star highlighter. It has three main highlighters. It has the gold I love a lot, the pink, and the rose gold. I'll tell you the names. It's Pearly Gates is like the more rosier one, and then the pink plushie is the pink one, of course, and the glass supplier, that just explains it. Beautiful. Okay. And this is the Pink Religion palette. I was so excited when this came out. You don't even know because I love pinks. So anytime he's gonna make pinks, I'm gonna love it very much. It's like a book, so you can pretty much put it anywhere. It's pink, and it came out during the summer's fall time, I'm pretty sure. So that's pretty cool. Okay, first I will be getting onto this palette, and the colors I'll be using today is this and this. I probably would use more if I had more, well, if I had more color schemes of pink, I would have went with more, but I'm gonna go with this, and then I'll be moving on to the highlighter. So, ooh, I think I just need a pink brush for the pink up top, and I'll probably put a little in the corner, up in here. Okay, I'll be moving on to this pink. I'll be using a brush. This stuff probably could be better with your fingers, but I don't really see the need to use my fingers because I don't want to mess up my lashes too much, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna wing it. Just freehand it. Okay. So sexy. Oh, I like that look so far. Just hard to get an angle on it. A little sweaty. Probably because there's something. Okay. I started a little high on that. I'm left hand. I'm not even lefty, and I'm trying to do lefty. So pretty talented. Sexy. This is my next move. I'm gonna put a little bit of this color, just like in the corner up here. I'm gonna try to angle it as best as I can. This was making me sweat. It's making me sweat. I usually don't sweat that bad or get nervous, but sexy. Sexy queen so far. Ooh. Well, that's it. What I'm going to use out of there. I could use so many different shades of pink, really. I could. Sweating. Sexy. Okay, moving on to the highlighter. Say goodbye to the palette. This is the colors. I just wanted to show you the colors up close before I put her away. She's so sexy. She's worth looking. She's worth the look, girl. Yeah. You can look at her. She cute. She cute. She bad. Bye. You can say goodbye to the beautiful mirror. Actually, I might do some lip stuff a little bit, like boom, pro. Do a pro look, be like scourge. Okay, moving on to the highlighter. Ooh, how am I gonna do this? Probably my thumb. I'm not gonna lie. I'll probably use my thumb. Yeah, probably thumb to be the best. Cause I have nails on, so like really limited. Limited on hand space at the second. Ooh. I missed the whole gap, but I'm getting it. Okay, ooh. That gold is way sparkly. Say goodbye to the gold. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush and put a little bit of pink highlighter from this pink palette up here up top. Just so you know, I'm letting you guys know. I'm just gonna use a brush because I don't need that much, and I'll dig into a little more than usual. Jeffree outdone himself with this highlighter. And boom. Look, it's beautiful. Jeffree would be impressed. He'd be like, oh my, so sexy, boy. You look so cute for blue eyes. You have a blue-eyed boy. That's sexy. Okay. I think that's almost everything I need to show you. There was more to the series. I wanted pretty quick, so didn't really get a chance to check that out too much. But you can check me out a little bit though. Yeah, you can check me out. Yeah. Yeah. Over here. Like right here. Okay. Last step, I'm gonna be using one of my favorite lip stuffs. It's kind of in between hot pink and light pink, so I just went with that. It's called Lace Cake. I'm gonna lace the cake. Who's lacing the cake? And that's the finishing look, boys. I know you'd be like, damn, I would that so hard when I seen that girl coming on over. I'd be like, oh, where did she come from? Why is she so pretty? Why is she so perfect, huh? I'd be like, well, I'm just awesome, and I love you guys, so love me. I want to tell you guys to stay beautiful And I will be having a lot of makeup videos coming out. Hopefully you guys support, like, share on Facebook or Instagram. I appreciate you guys to message me, say good things. People do say negative things. They get deleted and blocked almost immediately. So, Jeffree stars. Killerrain. Well, this is how your beautiful queen is looking. Well, not yet. Well, this is how your beautiful queen is looking. From head to tail. Oh. From head to tail. Oh. I love this look. Pink Religion is definitely awesome. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Peace. One love. Killerrain out. Much love, guys. I want to stay sexy for you guys. And, look at this body, girl. Yeah. Killerrain out. Bye.